So here, if you now go to the dashboard, under analytics, earlier what was happening? If you click analytics, it takes you to the insights page. But now, under analytics, there are two items. One is insights, which takes you to the regular insights page. And second is the revenue. So inside revenue, so this is the overall revenue page. You can see all the transactions over here. It is the summary table in which the recent first transaction are shown with the transaction ID, order ID, the username, user email, and the country from which the transaction had been done, the transaction type, whether it is a subscription or subscription renewal or a PPV purchase, and accordingly the plan name. For PPV, it will display the content name under the plan name. And now, if you go, we have the platform over here from which the transaction has been done, the total price, if any promo code has been applied. So what you see, the data 0 will be, it is a bug actually. So it will be blank. When a voucher is applied, it will be just written as a voucher. So the amount paid after applying the promo code, or if there is no promo code, like this, the total price is 111 and there is no promo code applied. So the total amount paid is 111. So next is the checkout, from which the checkout is done. You can see Stripe over here, and the payment has been made through card. So that means this is a non-hosted gateway through which the payment has been done. And if you click on this I icon, it will show the invoice. 1 second. Having some bug. This is the demo store. So let me filter one thing. Yeah. So if you click on this I button, so this functionality is same what you have seen in under my accounts and under the purchase payment history. So if you click on the I, it will show the total invoice, and there is a download option also. So the admin can not only see the invoice, as well as he can download the invoice too. And he can see the total revenue, and for a particular period, the total trend graph. And here we have added a currency filter. So if you click on INR, see the total data converts to INR. So we show the data currency wise, not cumulative in a single currency. And we have added some filters like country. The country can be filtered, and the type means it is a PPV or subscription or subscription renewal, and platform, the payment mode, and lastly this is the regular analytics period selector. So if you select this, the data will change. And we also have the increase and decrease data over here, comparison data over here. So and lastly, we have the export functionality through which the total data can be exported. Yeah, so this is the data. So even if the admin finds it's difficult to see the data from here, he can just download the data and do whatever he can, whatever analysis he can. So this is all about the revenue analytics feature. So there will be little improvements or enhancements, you can say, like there are some, I have already shown, like promo code value is 0, the bug will be resolved. And there are certain alignment issues related to HTML that will be also covered in just 1 to 2 weeks, under 1 to 2 weeks. And lastly, one thing to say, in the dashboard, we have removed that revenue KPI, because earlier it was showing in only one currency, that is USD, and the data was coming wrong because end users for an admin will transact from multiple countries, and we cannot show a total in a single currency. because we don't use a converter right now. So in future we might do that, but as of now we have just removed this KPI. What we'll be doing, we'll be including this KPI in just 1 to 2 weeks, and we'll be adding a filter inside that currency filter inside that KPI. So whatever the data is showing over here, so how it is being filtered over here, it can be also filtered on the dashboard. Yeah. So that was all about the feature. Any questions?